Dyma ni fyw. Croeso i stream, pawb. No, rhaid heb dechrau'r stream o bo. Whoops. Hey! Croeso i'r stream, pawb. Heddiw ni'n mynd bod yn chwarae FMV newydd, Wales Interactive, The Isle Tide Hotel. So, a dwi'n gwybod yr, broliant? I don't know, like a Kevin o'r llyfr on a FMV.
Oh, ydy e?
Broliant, hwnna'n...
Ydy e? Broliant.
Yeah, hwnna'n like a write-up ar Kevin llyfr, ydyn nhw.
A blurb?
Yeah.
Yw broliant, ydy e?
Meddwl mae broliant.
Oh, falle.
Rwy'n cofio, like, mewn
Tygau, ysgol.
O, dim tygau. Like, ysgol fach, wedi gael hwnna. Mewn Trwlyn. Ysgol ganraf. Yeah. Just like llun o ant, efo umbrella. O'n dweud, like, broliant.
Okay.
Sa'n gwybod sut ti'n sillafu hwnna, ddo.
But all i dot art and t, probably, ond...
Yeah.
Oh, wait a sec. Ti eisiau fi mynd i cael Brucey? Na i dangos ti Brucey bach? Look at this. Dyma real. Ti'n sôn am geiriadur fan hyn. Ys da ti hwn, Emrys? Ti di gweld hwn?
O, gael fi newid
The Welsh Academy, Bruce Griffiths. Hwn yn gallu lladd rhywun, os ti'n taflu hwn, ti'n fel, beth yw'r tyllian wen style, os ti'n taflu hwn o bellter, a mae'n bwrw rhywun yn y pen, dead, insta-kill. Death by geiriadur Cymraeg.
Nice.
Okay, brilliant. Oh, actually, mae un yma just yn English to Welsh, so bydd ni'n methu ffeindio hwnna. Unless fi'n edrych am blurb, os dyna ni'n credu.
O ie, mae'n... Yeah.
Blurb. Okay, fi'n mynd chwilio fe, chos pam lai. Fe ar y desk.
Yeah. Ydy unrhyw yn y chat? Unrhyw gwybod y broliant?
Blurb.
O, ti di trio gwneud Foxy Scare, sorry.
O, broliant, ti yn iawn. Mae yn. Mae fe fan hyn, fi methu zoom o mewn i profi, ond mae fe'n dweud broliant yw... be dwedais ti just nawr? Hey! Ie, ti'n iawn. Blurb, broliant, cywir. So, bluster, blusher, blush, blurt, blurb, broliant. Brolianau yw mwy nag un hefyd. So. Brolianau. Ond ni ond yn son am un, so, yeah, blurb.
So.
Yeah, there we go. Kevin der bydden ni'n dweud, ond blurb, os ti'n dweud blurb, ydy hwnna'n specific am llyfr? Falle bod e.
Wel, ti'n gallu cael blurb ar, like, cefn o ffilm, disc, case?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Ond ie, unrhyw gwybod y broliant? Na.
Dim clem.
Cool, so ni gyd jyst mynd mewn i hyn. Fresh. Heb
unrhyw ystrydeb, unrhyw syniadau cychwynnol, just mynd mewn, joio am y noson. Yeah, great, edrych. Oh. Yeah.
Nice.
Good.
Alright.
Good.
Right, just mynd i roi Twitch fyna, so we got to go to the chat. Dyma ni. Alright, let's dechrau at e.
Cool.
New game. Oh wait, rai angen rannu e. Ti sydd wedi gallu gweld?
Oh yeah, yn amser byw, yeah, bydd hwnna'n great actually. Yeah. Neu bydd reactions ni bach mas o sync.
Yeah, gael fi just, right, rannu hwnna. Cool, mae'n meddwl hwnna'n rannu y sŵn hefyd I ti. Ar Discord.
Fi'n clywed e eto?
Mae'n paused.
Oes dim sign eto? Okay, fine. Okay. O, fi gallu clywed e. Okay. Edrych ymlaen, yeah.
Oes?
Yeah.
Siwr ti'n gallu?
Yeah.
Dwi'n mynd i'n clywed y sŵn, de?
Na? Oh, yeah. Check o'r audio ar ochr, di hwnna lan?
O, dyma.
There you go.
Oh.
Ydyn ni'n mynd I fewn I hwn hollol cold turkey?
Oh, yeah, ni yn. Ni'n cymryd e ar beth bynnag. Dim edrych ar unrhyw beth, just gweld. Wedyn ni gyda unbiased opinion wedyn. Wow, mae hi bach yn nuts yn dwi.
Ie.
Yn colli fe. O, paid dweud bod hwnna'n gwaith y kid.
Uh-oh.
O, na. Be sy'n bod arna hi? O, na. O, mam gi. Be
So
ti'n neud?
music.
O, dwi hi ddim yn clywed yn iawn. So mae'n muted yn dyw e.
Dim actio fi.
I'm afraid not.
What the hell? Wait. Just wedi drygo hi! Oh my god, dyn ni ddim yn gweld hwnna'n dod.
Shit! Shit!
What the hell?
Oh my dear!
Oh my dear.
What the hell? Psycho! Screw you, I'm leaving, Ellen. Oh my god! O, paid dweud mae'n mynd I just roi e dros gwyneb hi. Oh.
You have my conviction.
You don't know me, but I've found you. It wasn't easy, seeing how you never met, but her words were persuasive. Once I tracked you down, I went back to her, but she was gone. All I found in the debris was an address, which I've enclosed. I'm going to make sure she's all right. If there's any part of you that cares for your daughter, you'll come too.
Oh.
Signed,
So,
Arthur Price,
mae'r kid yna.
private investigator.
Oh.
Director underscore D. 50. D. Objective letter.
Okay. Ond mae'n mynd I siarad
Oh,
e
right.
mas yn uchel fi'n credu.
Yeah.
Ond os oedd... Yeah. There you go.
Oh, have you seen a girl? Tell me about the hotel. Wait.
It's a streamer mod.
Yeah, mae'n a stream.
Oh, yeah.
Gael fi newid hwn.
Gath hwnna'n super cyflym.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Stream mode.
Streamer mode,
yes.
diolch.
Pam dwi'n ddim yn automatic choice.
Fi'n gwybod.
Have you seen
Have
a
you s-
girl? Tell me about the hotel. How much do I owe you?
Mae dal yn dreifio, so ddim yn gwybod ti diardio yna di.
Yeah. Nah.
Tell me about the
Dim
hotel.
eto.
Actually, gael fi symud fi, so ni'n gallu gweld yr
So have you seen a girl really vague?
Mae'n specific... Well, yeah, ond...
Wait, ffordd hwnna.
Yeah. Obviously, mae'n cabu. Mae'n mynd I gweld lot o bobl o gwahanol rhywiau.
Yeah. Gofyn am y hotel,
So,
ta?
yeah, fi'n credu.
Ti'n meddwl sa haws I chdi rei fi a Morgan yn top there, allan y ffordd?
Oh.
Ie, falle, mas o ffordd.
I weld fyna lot o
Oh, syniad da.
subtitles.
Yeah.
Ooh.
God knows what you lot get up to in there.
Oh.
Ooh.
Find you on your leave.
Oh dear.
Look, forget the fare, will you? Just get out.
What?
Mae'n
Jeez.
weird.
So mae'n dodgy hotel, ta,
A
yeah?
di...
Yeah, ond o'n gwybod o'n dodgy tell peth o cymryd y
Yeah.
ffair fyny.
Yeah, exactly.
Hynna literally ddim yn sens.
Well,
Na. A hefyd, mae di dweud just get out. Mae dal yn rhoi agor ei wallet. Ond ddim quite neud synwyr chwaith.
Ond oedd dim ond allan tax driver fyna. Oedd o'n gwybod o'n wedi dropio off yn y lle weird ma.
yeah.
Ie, pam nath e dweud where to, mate? Mae fe'n dweud
Yeah.
ail o hotel. Wedyn mae'n mynd yn grac ar y fe.
Oh,
Oh,
no,
okay.
not taking you there.
Come on, Harry. Beth sy'n digwydd na? Fi'n gwybod weithiau mae'n rhaid ffilo mewn y details, ond fi'n gwybod.
Oh.
Oh? Oh?
Never mind. Just,
Okay.
Alright.
A dy fe wedi cael llythyr hefyd? Efallai?
Falle. Ond nag yw e'n private investigator, though. So,
Na,
bydd e-
di private investigator gyda rhoi hwn, ie.
Ah,
Merch, y
Okay.
boi ma sef yma, apparently.
oh,
Ie?
right.
O, llythyr, ie. Lot o hyn fydd o. Lot o...
Ie.
I know more than I'm letting on.
Ah, yeah,
Nice.
yeah, yeah. Oh. Bydd e gystal y jinx, fi'n gobeithio, croesi bysedd.
Nah, I don't see that happening.
Contradiction. Na, mae hwnna yw'r pinnacle, so, yeah.
Oh
my god, mae hwnna'n really inviting, ynddo e?
Hello.
Gwyneb na.
Ring the bell. Hell yeah.
Mae hwnna'n ridiculous, mae nhw right fanna. Dylech chi ddim gorfod neud hwnna.
O, but fi'n masho fe. We've just been bang, 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 bang.
Welcome back to the Isle Tide Hotel. If only
Come back.
for our final night.
What?
I trust you had a pleasant term, Miss Ray.
What the heck?
Anyone blind?
How's the pursuing Miss Croeso?
My apologies. I mistook you for somebody else.
The fuck?
Yeah, mae hwnna'n super creepy.
Oh.
How may I help you?
I have an invitation. Ooh.
Yeah.
Dunno.
I want to book a room. I have an invitation. I'm looking for someone.
So I'm looking for someone. Because my hand did, oh, nah. Oh, da ni. It's a bit dodgy, mama.
Na.
No,
Ti'n-
I have an invitation, yeah.
Yeah, hwnna beth ni gael.
Llythyr,
Yeah, ni cael.
Yeah,
stuff,
go on,
so-
go on in, go on in.
I have an invitation.
Oh, marvelous.
Marvellous.
I trust you had a pleasant term.
Of course.
May
Oh.
I inquire which symbol can be found on the inside of the invitation? You must have seen it, no doubt.
Uh-oh.
Fi ddim yn cofio, fi ddim yn
Wait.
cofio, ti'n cofio?
Oh, get an invitation. Ydy llythyr invitation.
Yeah. I don't know.
Ydyn ni'n gallu checio.
O,
Wait,
a fi,
fod-
beth oedd y F, beth oedd y...
Mae fy mgrein yn rhywbeth. Mae ddim yn agor oed yn mwy.
Flip. Unrhyw un yn gwylio'n fwy astyd o'n ni.
Ni eisiau edrych nôl ar y fod.
Na.
Na, let's go for it.
Gallu invitation.
Remefel rwy'n dweud dod i'r Isle of Tide Hotel.
So, illa dim... Gallu business card.
Yeah. Rwy'n like,
Yeah.
oh, jeez. Rwy'n mynd nôl ar y fod.
Ydyn ni fod yn onest?
A ni bod yn
Dunno.
honest? Beth ti'n meddwl?
I don't know.
No, I didn't see it.
What? Rwy'n ni yn gweld ni just there.
O'n ni wedi gweld, ni just wedi
Oh,
anghofio.
invitation ddo.
Remefel.
Fi'n credu oedd y rhyw fath o thing.
Remefel rwy'n invitation.
Ond o'n i'n meddwl private investigator oedd wedi danfon y feddw.
Ie, so dim yn nhw de. So gallu invitation o ddo.
Rwy'n...
Oedd e?
Wait.
There you go, ti'n mynd drwy'r fod nawr.
Yeah, rwy'n mynd trwy'r fod, sorry. Right.
Brilliant.
Oh, yeah. Okay, rwy'n just llafur.
Yeah. Oes dim cross na maze arno fe, os e?
Oh, wait. Right, rwy'n mynd i darllen y llafur eto. You don't know me, but I found you. It wasn't easy, seeing how we've never met. But her words were persuasive.
Right.
Once I tracked you down, I went back to her, but she was
Oh.
gone. All I found in the debris was an address, which I've enclosed. I'm going to make sure she's all right. If there's any part of you that cares for your daughter, you'll come too. Signed, the private investigator. Oh, Acrave, business card, a hotel, and just like...
See,
So I didn't see it, so yeah.
I didn't see it. Because, ond really, mae'n dweud celwydd, achos oedd e ddim yn invitation, oedd e?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Tricky in.
Mae'n
I
just...
didn't see it, bydden ni'n dweud.
Yeah, mae'n just like, spirals.
Maybe we lied,
ar y
though.
peth. Ah,
Pam mae fe gyda glas yn ni?
Oh, I didn't see it.
Go on then. Os ti eisiau.
No, I didn't see it.
O, mae ddim yn hoffi hwnna.
Nah.
My sight was kindly taken from.
Kindly taken from.
I had argued that the symbol was too large, given the subtlety of its message. And seeing that our invitations are printed on card rather than paper,
Perhaps mine cross.
kindly ask you to leave.
What?
O, hwnna'n game
Oh, damn.
government, guys. Taflen, no?
O, diwedd y stream.
Oh, sorry guys.
Hey.
Golchi wythnos nesa.
Ni di mes o lan. Woo!
That's alright though. Oh.
Oh!
Oh,
Ow.
falle nawn ni dysgu rhywbeth though.
I was just...
Hanging light.
Are you not going in, or... Taking the receptionist wasn't very friendly. Something about him. Otherwise, you'd be in there, right? Unless you're thinking it over. I mean,
Beth yw'r deal yma?
I'm Christopher.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
I'm looking for someone. What kind of hotel is this? Your cigarette's not lit. And he just galw fe allan?
Yeah.
Cigarettes.
Okay, let's just be pragmatic a truthful a twatled.
Yeah. Gyda pawb.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your cigarette's not lit. It'll kill me if I light it. You sound like my doctor. She would...
Maen nhw gyda terminal illnesses?
Did you know
Neu...
you could fail therapy?
What?
I was just as surprised. After she...
Oh.
I got this through the post.
No.
An invite for an anxiety-ridden introvert to attend a gathering of complete strangers. But, here I am. In the doorway, at least. Invited by Dr. Aniston himself, or herself.
Ooh.
D. Invitation. The Outside Hotel requires,
Maze.
in the name of Dr. Aniston, all those who it may concern to allow the bearer a lifetime admission to the tide. In accordance with the etiquettes without hindrance or let, and to afford the bearer such assistance in purging to the isle as may be necessary. It must be noted to any of all servants of this. Oh. Okay.
Oh.
Look, if you think I should go in, I could probably get you in too. We could go together.
Go on. Go on.
Ooh.
Let's
Go together. Go
Hell
together.
yeah!
Go
Let's go
together.
together.
Come on.
You should.
Shala binga bang.
Well,
Yeah.
Yeah.
gyd ni'n
Yeah,
becsa
go on.
right now yw ferch ni,
You
right?
should leave so ni'n cael invite sydyn.
Yeah, ond...
Ond chi ddim yn mynd i achos fi'n credu nhw ond yn targedu certain kind of people a ni ddim yw'r pobl na. Fi ddim yn credu.
And it
Let's
just has-
go together
I
like
know.
shala-la-la-la-la-la ding da dong.
Yeah, let's go in together.
Come on.
You would do that? You would come in with me? Well, then great. Come on.
Oh god, beth sy'n digwydd fan hyn? Beth yn y byd maen nhw
Hell
wedi
yeah.
cytuno i? Oh dear.
Pwy wedi o'i helu allan?
Guess who's back? Right, okay.
Christopher, sweetie.
Okay.
For a moment there you gave me a fright.
Pwy yw'r...
Oh.
Yeah,
Person
friend
yma.
here, he convinced me. Hi, I'm Josh Malone.
Josh Malone.
Josh
Josh.
Malone.
Max
I
Power.
don't usually allow guests, but as you convinced my Christopher, I won't put you through the test. But we need you to get fitted. Why don't you go get ready, sweetie?
I'll see you in there. Oh,
Oh, what's that?
Oh.
Oh, fi
Hell
ddim
yeah.
yn trust o. Oh.
Speedily.
Need i sign of a death, ydyn ni?
Yeah.
Whoops. Wel, mae wedi cael ni
Dwi'n
mewn,
gwybod,
so...
ie. So they'n gallu just mynd ôl i fewn, then?
Rai bod hi gyda overriding fel pwer yn y pecyn order, mae hi
Ie, ond Samaj, di ddeitha hi. Oh my god, wow.
Oh, mae hwnna'n eitha agos.
Arms up, sweetie. Let me measure you.
Oh.
Well, do you wish to participate or not? We need to start the exhibition if you don't wish to.
Oh my gosh. In a leg. Oh, eh?
Have you entered a girl? Why measure me? Exhibition.
What?
Exhibition.
Have you entered a girl?
Wel, ni'n edrych am y merch
fewn i'r hotel, de.
I guess ni'n...
Oh, ydy'n cystadleuaeth fel beauty contest neu rhywbeth?
Dwi'n meddwl, some points gofyn am y girl. Ain't gonna tell
Na. Exhibition.
Exhibition.
What kind of exhibition is this?
Oh.
Only the world's greatest, sweetie.
There's
nothing more exquisite than the human form.
What?
Is exquisite.
Okay.
The world
So pan ti'n dillad o?
wish to change it, fill it, fake it.
What? Mi'n edrych yn hogan as in Seinfeld.
Yeah, tipyn bach, fwy tan ddo, yeah. Fi'n deall beth ti'n dweud ddo, yeah. Yeah, ond fersiwn ifancach, bandant. Yeah.
So they find their true core.
Oh.
So that... I ti, ie?
Oh.
Lle maen nhw'n abusio pobl sy'n cymryd mantais, ie?
Oh, na! A nhw'n creu suits allan o pobl.
Na. Mae wedi dweud chameleon, no.
Off with you.
Yeah.
Wel, swapio, but...
You could wear them all with perfection. Ac o'r fi'n dweud bod, like...
Oh, eitha smalio
human
bod o
form.
pobl.
Oh, and dude, like... Oh. The ultimate...
transformation.
Fashion show.
Cos nath y boi... We'll go with about body parts, cos nath y boi receptionist said when my eyes were kindly taken from me.
Rwy'n dal cael llygaid, though.
Yeah. What the...
Red or gold?
Excuse me?
Be?
See,
Pam.
another verse that doesn't notice them.
Have you never looked up during the swell celebration?
Which is why the balloon should be gold this term.
But red is traditional.
You said that already.
But red is...
Ydy rhyw fath o cult, falle?
Always have someone else take
Dwi'n meddwl ti pobl whack jobs, ie?
Yeah. Okay.
What do you think, dear?
Neu, rhyw...
Oh, na.
Red or gold? O'n i'n mynd...
So, red ydy conformity hen amser, gold is news. So, dyn ni inspiro'ch dyfodol ta gorffennol. Hynny'r vibes dwi'n cael o'n.
Ne, chi'n upsetio'r ddau nhw a dweud they're just balloons.
They're just balloons. Yeah.
Yeah,
Just piss everybody off.
Yeah, just gweld.
Just
Ni angen
piss
cael
everybody off.
rhywun ar ochr ni, though, ydyn ni?
Na.
Dwi'n ddechmygu beth ydyn fan yma. Mae coch os da'n sbio nôl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Air yn sbio ymlaen.
Falle.
Yeah.
Okay.
So ydyn ni eisiau cael y old blood neu'r young blood ar ochr ni?
Oh.
Mae'n un o'r chwith edrych yn annoying.
Yeah.
Ond hefyd mae'n un o'r dden edrych yn annoying hefyd.
Yeah, just balloons.
They're just balloons.
Yeah, it's just balloons.
Okay, so ni'n just bod yn...
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Just balloons.
They're just balloons. Now, listen.
You've got some nerve.
Oh, love it. I love it. Oh.
Piss off.
Oh.
Yes!
Yeah, fi'n falch. Ddim yn dyfaru hwnna o gwbl.
No, dwi'n dyn hyn, de.
Yeah.
Gyda fi llai o fynd o pobl yn offended efo bethau normal.
Yeah, silliness. Oh, trophy, okay. So, rhyw fath o gystadleuaeth o ran celf.
Loads of... edrych ar masks.
Yeah. Very eyes wide shut yn dwi.
Oh!
Right.
Mae'n i gallu mynd...
Mae hwn fwy fel point and click nawr.
Yeah.
Ddim quite, but yeah.
Ni siarad i'r menu?
Os i'r table, i gael gwybod beth... Os ydyn gallu gwybod beth uffas yn ymlaen yma.
Talk to woman hwnna yw... O, a table draw fanna, oce. Iawn y syniad da.
Weithio gwyd yn nôl i fama wedyn. Dwi'n chmygu gwyd yn nôl i fama wedyn.
Yeah.
Let's gweld.
Okay.
Ooh.
Efo.
Digon i ddarllen. Yeah.
To all who think the core is sex, all genders welcome, room 18. Where is room
Room
14?
18, let's go. Let's
Yeah,
Let's go.
orgy time.
Where
go.
is room 14?
Fi'n mynd gwybod.
Mae'n efo lot o llythyrau.
Yeah.
A dwi wedi darllen yr un canol na, beth yw'n meddwl?
Ian... Join? Ydy hwn dweud join?
Yeah, fi'n credu mae fod dweud join.
Join me for the changing of the tide. Seeking person with an open...
Mind.
Mind? Open mind to peel back the layers and find the core.
Oh.
Os yna fatha hogan
7, 8 PM
mesur ni.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Roth
Rosie.
2. A beth nos ffordd, dweud.
And he just wedi creu like onion allan o skin pobl.
Os ti'n clicio ar nhw, os maen nhw'n siarad y pobl...
Yeah.
I think it's all metaphorical.
For lovers
Go on
of
then, click
literacy
it.
and language, J. Jordan Hemlock, am starting a petition to change the terminology of the etiquettes. Ergo.
Be sy'n digwydd os ti'n clicio ar y nodyn?
Yeah.
Ti'n siarad
Parin. Pa nodyn?
Pa bynnag, jyst neud nhw gyd.
3.
To all who think the core is
Oh,
sex,
A nhw'n just, mae'n darllen
all
nhw.
genders welcome.
Ti eisiau darllen i gyd i chi cael item discovered.
Yeah, ni eisiau'r achievements yn ni.
Yeah.
O, dwi'n gwybod sy'n ymlaen, ie.
O, wrth gwrs, ie. Mae'r cymeriad methu bwrw ymlaen a gwybod y stuff otherwise. Yeah.
There is room 14.
So mae hwn o'r vibes, de, reit debyg i control.
Okay.
Control?
Yeah. As in, dim ond really yn esbonio, ti'n gwybod bod yna rhywbeth
Seeking person with an open
digwydd.
mind.
Da ddim bod science fiction-ly, obviously.
Room 7, 8 PM.
Beth yr amser, boys?
Mm.
Na, man.
Mae hi'n reit metaphorical o be mi eisiau... Dwi'n eisiau controlio pobl mae hi.
For lovers of literacy and language, I, Jordan Hemlock, am starting a petition to change the terminology of the etiquettes. Ergo, come find me and sign.
Right. Nawr mae'r fenyw, fi'n credu. Mynd exit. A siarad i'r fenyw. Gweld pwy yw hi. Dim byd arall i cyffwrdd fan nawr, se?
Na.
Na.
Gwylod. Hi'n 60s vibes. Ti'n mynd i bod yn y 60s.
Beth? Fel Frozen?
Dwi'n disgwyl y weird twist.
Ie, falle.
I'm stuck for choice. I'm swayed towards the white lace, but I wore that last term and nothing changed.
Ydy'r term ma.
Nothing changed.
Dwi'n meddwl de, mae'n fatha loop.
Yeah.
Rai o dom ydy'r term ma.
O, roedd dim dwylo ar y cloc yn y lobby. Wyt ti'n gweld hwnna?
O, nes i ddim sylwi hwnna.
Roedd y cloc yn, bwrw am rhyw y gloch. Roedd dim dwylo.
So mae'n rhywbeth arall yn trigger terms.
Okay.
What didn't change?
Yeah, question da.
What didn't change?
Mynd eitha
Mae'n
agos.
mynd bach yn agos.
Failed again to nominate me.
Oh, 100% mae merch yn cael nominatio.
Who wore it
Who
best?
wore it best?
Sounds exciting.
A scoi'r girl thing.
Yeah.
Fi'n credu, nawn ni ddim cael unrhyw beth on
Dwi'n meddwl mae'n mynd...
suspicion.
Dwi'n meddwl mae'n mynd i trigger o beth yn nhw, mae'n mynd i siarad yn nhw.
Yeah. Sounds exciting.
Edrych ar y blynyddoedd, mae'n pob 3 blwyddyn. 63, 66, 69.
Yeah.
Ie, mae'n stopio ar o faint.
87. I guess hwn yn y... Ie, pryd ydy hyn yn set?
Oedd y car reit newydd yn y ffrant.
Yeah, na.
Efo nhw'n sbio am y number plate?
Na, fi'n credu mae fod yn modern, so fi'n credu mae hwn jyst yn weird. O'n i angen gweithio fe mas. Yeah.
Dwi'n meddwl sef amser ddim yn symud.
Sounds exciting.
Yeah.
It's not for...
Ond oedd y taxi driver dweud, you're even weirder when you come out.
Any rules?
You choose a mask, and then on the swell you wear something that suits. Who wore it best wins.
And you want to be nominated?
You're nobody if you're not admired.
You know a lot. Yeah. Sgoi'r merch ar bob
Yeah.
You seem to know a lot about what goes on here.
Oh.
You should be careful when choosing. How people see you is everything. And here, you can be anybody. A chance to become those you envy, and for a tide, forget yourself entirely. People call me Dee. That's not my real name, you understand. It's just that...
Oh.
Well, hardly matters when all keys go into a bowl, am I right?
Oh.
Oi.
Oi.
I learned that the hard way.
Oh dear.
I'm Josh.
Oh.
Beauty isn't the ambition, it's the tool. You may not be swayed by it, but many are.
I didn't mean to.
No faster way to see your name in lights. I came here to be somebody beautiful. Somebody.
Dwi'n meddwl gen pob issues.
I never focused on finding
Well,
it
pob
all like
wedi-
everybody
Mental
else.
issues.
Wel, pob wedi
Now it
stapio.
seems that I've lost my own. It's always hard when you lose something. A pageant, let's say, but passion is doing whatever it takes to get it back. Am I right?
I play fair. I do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I play fair.
Oh,
What's it? Oh, is it?
I do
No!
anything.
I'd do anything.
I would do anything for love, but I won't
Maybe
do
you're the one
that.
I've been looking for.
Oh, hello.
Oh.
Oh,
It would
Diane.
be terrible
Owain.
for me to ask someone to nominate me for the pageant.
Oh.
But if they did,
Oh,
you
I
would help them in return?
help them.
Who knows how grateful I'd be.
Oh, I. Minx, little
Alright.
minx, fanna. Wow.
So ni angen nominated hi am y pageant te.
Neu falle ddim. I don't know.
Right.
Nes
Nes i-
i sit? Yeah,
Sit, yeah,
man.
ni'n siŵr just sit. Neu man.
Ni eisiau
Sit
siarad
bach
i...
yn random,
Dwi'n
yn dwi?
ofyn yn y main hall neu bar neu sit
Ie.
ac oedd o'n trigger o beth.
Yeah.
So, man. Dwi'n chwarae gormod o games put and click.
Yeah.
yeah. Dyn hyn just stero. Sallu.
Ie.
Sallu yw stero.
Yeah, salli.
Beth yw'n sallu a? The etiquettes.
O, fod i mae'n etiquette.
I was wondering.
I've tried to warn him. They can't be changed or cheated.
Oh, wow.
The receptionist reminds us all with a single look.
Ooh.
Oh. Mae di cael ei punisher.
Except that man at the bar, it seems. I didn't stick around to find out why this time. I best go find her. She'll be looking for me. My wife.
My wife.
My
wife.
You're
Very
my
nice.
wife now.
Very
You're
nice.
my wife now, Dave.
Dave. Oh, ti'n neud League of Gentlemen. O'n i
No.
Borat. Complete different continent fanna.
Oh,
Um,
dyma ni. One will attend the tide. Correct action is adhered to in attendance of the tide, held between a term of every 3 years for 3 nights that shall never be prolonged or extended. Thus a reminder of Das Nichts. Das Nichts. Beth di hwnna?
Those nights? I don't know.
Yeah, Nichts and night. Sa'n siŵr
That
beth mae
night.
das.
Das.
Those nights.
Thus a reminder
Those
of
nights.
those nights.
Fi,
Das
guess,
Nichts.
yw, fi ddim yn gwybod. Fi ddim
Unig...
yn gwybod.
Yeah.
Ne, edrych
Mae'n gweud Nacht der Untoten is Night of the
Philosophy.
Undead.
Ah, okay.
Philosophy?
Question of darkness, because he noted that all philosophy thus far had noticed nothingness.
Oh.
Oh. Hello.
You know? Okay.
Cool. 2. One will choose a suit. Correct effort shall be made on the tide to select a new suit. After the fitting, the suit should be chosen on swell night and worn for the coming term. Thus, a halting of Gewyn Fahrenheit.
Gefr Fahrenheit.
Gefn Fahrenheit.
Gefr
Right,
Fahrenheit.
Oedd eyes white shirts fi diwedd lle de, fi pob yn gwisgo siwt a masg na ia.
Yeah. Ydy Gefn Fahrenheit? Mewn German?
Just can't Google
I Google
Translate
o.
lan. Na, I Google o fe. It's fine. Fi gyda fe lan. Google Translate. English, na, German, efe. No, just find it default.
Concept introduced by German philosopher
you
to describe human individual existence has been thrown into the world.
Ah. So a halting of individualism then?
Yeah.
Just cool. One will honour
Oh
Swan.
yeah, because ti'n gwisgo, mae pob yn gwisgo siwt. Yeah, okay.
Correct concentration is cardinal during the measure, fitting, and swell night ceremony, thereby halting all communication with the outside world, thus a banishment of Das Gerede. Beth yna?
The talk, mae'n dweud fan hyn. The talk.
Dwi'n dychmygu mae lots of philosophy yn
Yeah.
German-based, ynddi?
Yeah,
Ydy'r
the
argaf
talk.
to cael one.
One will be as one. Correct mindfulness of our elect is to be upheld at all times. Elect are encouraged to confess the sins of their term and shall be forgiven outright, unless the breaking of an etiquette. 5. One will be unburdened. Correct intention is attained when distraction and desire are abolished, allowing the mindfulness across the term. All elect shall assist this purge by means of fulfillment on the tide. One will hold tongue. Correct speech will ensure the tide is kept secret and limit distraction from our mission. The Grand Elect will select those best suited to the cause by way of invitation. One will practice proper decorum. Correct livelihoods are encouraged between the tides to protect the suit. Each shall be returned as gifted, never committing the suit to compromise, constraint, or condition issues within the term. One will seek. Correct view of the elect and their mission shall be at the forefront of the tide. Distractions made by suits are to be renounced after purging distraction and desires, thus seeking the core. 9. All will follow the etiquettes, do as you are told.
Oh god.
So, y thing etiquette ar y bwr na ydi, mae'n rhywun eisiau newid hwn, oes?
Yeah, so mae rhywun eisiau newid yr etiquettes.
So basically, da ni eisiau fod yn source, a da ni eisiau mynd i'r cor, a dwi'n dychmygu da ni'n mynd i gweld merch ni fanna.
Ba, ewch i'r ba ddo, achos o'n nhw'n mynd...
Yeah. Sit.
Just eistedd lawr.
Sit, oh, okay, fine.
Cos aros yn y rŵm ma.
Okay. O, i gweld beth sy'n digwydd gyda'r etiquettes, neu be?
Wel, just cyn i symud i stafell arall, yn cofn da ni'n mynd yn ôl ma.
Right, yeah. O, dyna bach yn boring.
Check wallet.
O, check wallet? O, i edrych trwy wallet i hun, ie. O'n i'n meddwl, achos oedd ar llawr... O, merch i yw hwn, then.
Dim cash.
Directory item discuss. Wallet.
O, ti eisiau edrych ar...
Whoa.
O, mae hwnna'n amazing.
50, oh, driving licence.
Ti'n gallu clicio nhw?
Na.
O, mae ddim, fi'n tynnu ar hwnna.
O, I'm sure cashless dyd e. So, smartwatch, oes, lle Apple Pay, lle.
Ie.
Lad.
Popeth yn mynd ffordd na nawr.
Yeah.
So there should be a weed on the bar, eh? Look, a solid 120 frames per second chdi'r game.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Chwarae teg. Lovely. Come on.
It's 5 o'clock. Get the sound of the tongue.
You realise Dr. Aniston could be anybody. I wonder if he's here.
I've got no closer to finding the core this tide. Waste of a suit.
What?
O, fi'n credu mae rich pobl transplanto'i soul mewn I bodies gwahanol.
O,
I ffindio'r gwirionedd, lle. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n gwybod pwy di'r doctor. Dwi'n ffig... Hwn di tin foil fi.
Yeah.
Go on, tin foil. Love a bit of tin foil.
Y bouncer.
Y boi mawr.
Boi mawr, distaw.
Ie. Falle.
O'n i'n mynd I bar?
Go on cael drink
Ie.
gynta.
A mae'n wedi awgrymu, o, nes ti chwarae rheolad y hun, so ti'n gwybod i'r cor.
You're here to see me, no doubt? Yes. I'm
Yes.
Jordan Hemlock.
Oh, Jordan Hemlock, what did
You've heard. They chatter in their boxes. You see,
did we call Jordan Hemlock?
I've spent more time alone this term and began to ponder the word term.
In the notes, yeah?
Yeah, oedd yna un oedd eisiau newid y...
I've created a petition.
Ah, yeah,
for
a
the
petition.
Grand Elect to change the terminology. What do you think of the word span?
Na.
Span?
Span? Mae'n rhy debyg i spam.
What's the reason?
Span.
Why?
Oh! Dyna fi span yn lle term.
How is your span? Dig i mewn I fe mwy.
Mae term yn fixed, the span ddim yn fixed, ydy?
Na.
So, why change one word?
Why change one word?
One word? You ignorant.
Oh.
One word would be the catalyst to show their failure at even the most basic. And without the use of the established terminology, how are we, the verse, supposed to identify with you, the elect? Perhaps a change of leadership is warranted.
Dwi'n mynd I ffigur allan, so mae'n tynnu i'r rheolad, ie.
Prove they're not always right.
One word may seem insignificant. But what about one person? They put us through all these etiquettes. But what of the individual? What if it was you? Or your daughter? Or wife? Would you still follow all the etiquettes then? Or would you disobey their orders?
You they?
There's rules for a reason. Rules can be broken. Rules are made for breaking!
Yeah. Fuck it. So dwi'n joio vibe y gem yma. Dwi'n joio fo. A weirdness there. Ond dwi'n meddwl bod o'n too weird, too soon.
Rules can be broken.
Oh, if only.
I fi, o'n i eisiau bach will lead up cyn i'r hit o weirdness.
Democracy of America.
I chdi actually cael rhyw fath o sens beth sy'n ffocin wedi wneud, ie. Cos yma mlaen, yn un diwys opsiynau, but dim clem na den.
Na.
Well, i roll a dice dim na.
Well,
anything you want.
Ni'n infiltrate a cult.
Dyn ni?
Yeah, mae definitely cult vibes yma.
Sy'n siomedig, so ddim.
Good afternoon, sweeties.
Oh, sweeties.
Tonight's measuring is underway.
Mae hi'n really purry
so
and dewy.
if you could adorn your robes, masks, and follow me speedily. The Grand Elect await.
So fi'n gweithio yma.
Oh, darling.
Ddim yn sbio arna efo hwnna. Okay.
The Shining. Na, joke.
Atho mi i'r main hall, ddo. Dwi'n chmygu sa main hall dwi'n mynd i syth I fenna.
Yeah.
Eto, assumio.
Yeah. Os byddwn ni'n siarad gyda'r drunk a thing, ni ddim yn mynd I gwybod.
Pa rŵm yn eisiau mynd I?
Oh, damn, beth oedd yr un hwyl? Na, rwy'n
14.
Oeth. Achos cofio ti'n neud joke am, syth I rhyw 1-8, fi'n credu.
Iawn, rhyw fwyth.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Fel love letter.
Oedd e'n rhyw 8?
Ydych chi'n
Fi'n credu oedd e, yeah.
Ydych chi'n allan stwff o'n llythyrau? Notes.
Directory.
Yeah.
Readables.
Oh, yes!
Table note.
Na,
18.
Iawn. Allall yn rhif.
Oedd 8 yna rhywle, o fi'n siŵr oedd yna.
18, fi'n siŵr, ie.
Okay.
So the Hemlock's done. We've done Hemlock.
Yeah. Where is room 14? Room 18. Room 7. Ond hwnna'n dweud 8pm, though. Roedd fe'n, like, just mynd 5pm yn y bar.
Okay.
So na, wan yw, beth sy'n na, ie?
Ie.
Esgyswch chi? Be, sorry?
Rhyw 7 dwi'n dweud.
Ie, os ti'n mynd yn y nawr, ti'n gallu gweld os oes set-up specific, scary neu odd, ti'n gallu kind of, get ahead of the game efo a gweld beth sy'n digwydd.
Catch a weirdo, you have to think like a weirdo.
Yeah.
So ni'n mynd i room 7, ie?
Yeah, go on.
Rosie. Oh, mae'n dweud Rosie, yna. Yeah.
Did you not read the note? I'm not ready for you yet, freak.
Oh.
Come back when it's time.
Okay.
And don't
What are you
be
gonna
late.
take? Who's gonna take?
Nope.
Oh. Oh god.
Some brothers.
Hey! You don't know me, but I found you. That's what I wrote in the letter. On Price.
Your price?
What did you expect?
Private
There's a bottle of Bushmills you wouldn't show.
Heard you were never around. People don't change.
So figured it an easy bet.
Ond mae hi wedi bod mewn ambell i beth. Ydy hi wedi
So if you do, you have to watch out for.
mewn gêm gwahanol falle, neu...
So why are you
Fi 'di gweld
here?
hi o'r blaen, ond fi'n cofio be.
I'm here for Eleanor.
What, out of some newfound fatherhood? Or looking to make
Yeah, I came, didn't I?
Makes no difference.
Well, why did you write the letter?
In case something happens to me, at least someone would know where she is.
Have you found out what is this place? Why are you here?
Ni wedi bod yn ysgoi siarad am hi, a ni'n mynd...
Na, hon yn... Yeah, what is this? Yeah, okay, have you found her? Yeah. Dwi'n hon dweud eisiau gofod... Am y merch, ie.
That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Save you the trouble. Christ.
O, mae'n atgoffa fi o'r Torres Gemma Arrit yna. Ie, so ydych chi'n dweud?
Ie, fi'n gwybod yr un, ie.
But I guess he taught her one valuable lesson. You can't rely on anyone.
Pam mae'n cael golwyd? Dwi'n gwybod pwy di person yma.
Fi'n gwybod.
Yn o'r private investigator.
Yeah.
Well, if you want to find Eleanor, you'll have to change. The guests are getting together downstairs dressed in these.
I'm
going to
here,
get
Mata.
one, go down there and find out who has her.
What?
And if you don't show, I won't be surprised. Doubt she would either.
What?
My God. Well, apparently, y father wedi gadael o do o pryd oedd hi'n babi. A mae hi'n really pissed am fe.
Pan mae hon... O, ti'n meddwl na hi... Mae hi a'r ferch yn... mewn perthynas?
Falle.
Whoa.
Fi'n meddwl.
What does yours do for a living?
Accountant.
What does yours do for a
London-based,
living?
so the commute's a nightmare.
Oh, God.
I'm looking to settle down next term.
Do you sweat much?
You were fawn.
Yeah.
Got newfound respect, mind you. Didn't get promoted once. Bloody bunch of tossers.
Told you so. And you said I was whining. I hope you learned something.
Yeah. It's never subtle. It's obvious where they're looking. Right here.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Oh.
What do you think of my hair? I love the colour, but people say it's too much. I think they're bloody boring. Maybe I should try that. Boring could be fun to do. Brown.
What? Like
Dwi'n bod
transfer...
hynna yn gêm yma. Dwi'n licio vibe y gêm yn. Bys o'n licio. O, i fi mae'n bach yn pastiche.
Come.
Iawn, ydyn ni'n helpu di, Iwan.
Yeah, come on.
Last chance to enter somebody into this year's
Somebody
Who
into
Best
somebody?
Pageant.
Sort of focus, I can't sort of focus. Okay, no.
You said you'd do anything.
Nominate me and I'll repay the favour.
Yes.
Oh, okay, sorry. Yeah, fi'n creu dyletsy.
Yeah. Ond hefyd dath i ddithu, anything's to win, do.
Yeah. In it to win it.
Dwi di helpu.
Helpu hi. Cwning e.
Ella gael ni gwybod beth sy'n digwydd i.
What, roi fi a prompt te? Roi fi a prompt? Come on.
Beth yw'r masks cheap ma?
Agreed.
Ddim yn rhoi prompt.
Mae just wedi pwyntio.
Yeah. Nes ddim hyd o'n cael chance i fatha backstab fi.
Tell me, how can I help?
Name?
My name?
Well, yes, sweetie. I need a name.
I thought you could use his.
It must be the participants. How else will we know?
How many minutes super
An
echoey
initial
now?
then.
I need your name, sweetie.
Ti'n meddwl Mel,
That's not an etiquette. No, it's a rule. Which are still quite important. The ceremony shall begin soon, and if you can't provide a name...
I don't remember.
What?
I'll write D, for now. But we will need a full name.
And if I can't remember?
You can't very well win without a name to place on the plaque, sweetie. Perhaps there's somebody who can help you?
What? What?
Oh no.
Now, everybody, speedily, take your seats. The Grand Elect approach.
It's a fucking goal going again.
I know. Oh, I don't know. Oh my god, I've got mask a guy yna gyda fel...
Hefyd, nath i misio fi iawn. Ond hogan yma nath i'n siwt fi.
Not you, my love.
Yeah.
Stop shaking like a teenager's wrist. Guessing these aren't your average guests. There's a lot of them. Not sure on their choice of robe, though. What's up with you?
Dwi ddim yn deall unrhyw beth.
Just nervous.
Dwi'n falch bod y main character yn distaw.
I'm nervous about it.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how to explain to her where I've been all these years.
O, so dwi'n meddwl mae o wedi bod yma blaen.
Ti'n meddwl?
O, ti'n dod yn cychwyn, nath y receptionist wneud mistake apparently do.
Great.
Oh, they ddim yn
and not
mistake.
harvested from thorn trees, nor a fig scattered from thistles, for they yield no fruit. Peel comes before the fruit to protect it, but that shall not be so on the swell. Just as the great ocean has one taste, the taste of salt, so too shall this tide, the taste of life.
Ooh.
To reach the fruit, we must first...
It's like Christopher the Doctor.
The peel. Simul justus e peccator.
And pan o'n i'n teenager, felly, mae'n siŵr ti'n gwneud lot o gwaith extras o'r gael.
Nice to see our body.
Cofio fi wastad just yn gwaith orio fewn math yma o buildings.
If you're
Yn
new
disgwyl neud stuff.
Yeah.
or would like reminding,
O, ydy e'n doctor? A wneud rhywbeth gyda corff neu rhywbeth? Because mae holl body ma, mae'n odd yn dywe.
Dwi'n meddwl metaphor di body things.
Yeah? Okay, fine.
Dwi'n meddwl fatha ar y mwy o lobotomizing.
Ydy e? Okay.
O, cos i sbio lot nhw, mynd...
Yeah, zombified.
the Grand Elect.
Dim Grand Elect ydy'r doctor, na chi?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are who we say we are.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Praise be to Dr. Aniston, founder of the Tide and seeker of the core.
Praise.
Praise.
First we have taken the measure
Mae'n
of each
super calty.
Now comes the fitting. Bring forth the new verse.
What? Oh!
Oh!
What?
Hey, dyna'r boi o.
O, pa maen nhw'n edrych arno?
Give us your name.
Christopher?
So pa'n ti'n dripio fan ar y chwydd?
Oh,
Give us
yeah.
your name, and we will change it. Give us your suit, and we shall swap it. In the giving and the changing, only the core will remain. And in the core, purpose.
Mae'n creepy, though. Oh.
I've changed my mind.
Oh. Gwyneb yn nhw nawr.
Sorry. I don't want to do this. I was talked into it. No, please.
Okay, dim fod i Dr. Aniston. Mae'n iawn dod allan o'n lobotomized, ynddi? I mean, praise be to Dr. Aniston.
Before we embark,
does
anybody wish to shed guilt for the term?
Cael achievement fan'na.
Cos nath i cael Christopher I fewn,
ie. I practiced as the priest. I found it hard. I confess,
Oh, mae'n priest, yeah.
I turned to drink.
Oh.
And
Wyt ti'n cael ei recanitio?
I got a tattoo.
I got a tattoo.
Etiquette 7 has been broken. To impart manners, your choice of suits for the coming term shall be halved.
Oherwydd mae heb dod a suit fe'n nôl.
You are already forgiven.
Yes. So, a corff fi'n credu, so I don't think it's metaphoric.
So nhw'n
I
newid...
committed a crime on the previous term, which...
Yeah.
Verse 37 was arrested for.
Etiquette 4 has been broken. To impart manners, your suit shall be chosen for you.
So mae pobl yn mynd... Chi'n meddwl bod...
You are already forgiven.
Nhw'n gallu newid. Yes, souls nhw'n mynd mewn i cyrff gwahanol. Nhw'n gallu dewis papur nhw'n cael. Unless mae hi yn...
The whispers you have heard of a young girl.
Yn dweud gwahanol. Oh, hwnna'n mer...
Chosen by Dr. Aniston himself.
Himself?
For this deviation of etiquettes, she will be presented to all at tonight's swell celebrations. A hearing for all.
So basically, make a siarad o
Until
vessel
such
I
time,
rywun...
we shall proceed from the measure to the fitting.
Oedd e ddim gyda un?
Na.
Oh my god.
Basically, fel fatha... Being John Malkovich, ond not being John Malkovich.
Pwy?
Dwi'n gweld ffilm Being John Malkovich.
Being John Malkovich?
Yeah. Ti'n gweld hwnna?
Na.
Worth
Meet with Price.
High new Price? Oh, detective. Detective.
Find D.
Na, find D, dwi'n meddwl. Helpu D, dwi'n meddwl.
Yeah.
A rabbit yw D, yeah? Oh yeah, of course, yeah. Mae hi
It's for Jordan.
Pwy Jordan?
Either Meet with Price neu Find D di choice rhyw.
Jordan yw'r investigator, rwy'n meddwl?
Na, Jordan sy'n seen a petition.
Oh, right. Pwy di Price? Rwy'n meddwl Price yr un efo?
Price is a cop.
A cop.
Oh, right.
Detective.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jordan Hemlock, yeah.
Yeah, ti'n gywir. So ni'n mynd i ffeindio D?
Yeah, ffeindio hi.
Dwi'n helpu, dwi'n gadw helpu hi, do.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dee!
What happened to a rose by any other name? Am I right?
What?
They were laughing at me. That's why they never nominate me. Put a pretty little bullet in all of them. Please help me. Help me find my name so I can win. Show them all. I'll give you anything, name it.
Eleanor Malone.
Eleanor? Well, that's a pretty name.
Do you know of her?
It won't be easy.
Oh, na, mae'n mynd I cymryd enw.
First you'll need to find Dr. Liston, my psychiatrist. She never believed me, of course, refused to even look. But our last session, her mood changed, buttons up, even more stuff.
Dee, do you know of Eleanor Malone?
That's when I knew she'd done it. She'd found the woman who stole my name. I know how it sounds, but it's true. Something to do with hands, that's all I can remember. She refuses to tell me, of course. Break into her room.
Oh.
No one will expect you, and I don't have time before the pageant.
Risky business now.
And you'll help me find Eleanor.
Remember, Dr. Liston, and once you're done, come and find me. Room number 12, and hurry.
Dim un ydw i addo. Nath ni fwtio ni, ond dyna thi ofyn.
Hey, wait! What room is Dr. Liston in?
Roedd hi'n just dweud, room 12.
Do?
Na,
room
hwnna
11?
yw'r stafell hi.
Oh.
Room 11 di hi.
Ydy e?
Ti'n mynd gadael hwnna fanna?
Pwy oedd room 12?
Dangos faint o attention span sydd yn ni, guys. Mae'n literally yn dweud e, a ni just felt, na.
Examine.
Wait, rwy'n mynd ar y ffordd. Rwy'n mynd nôl ar y ffordd.
Oh,
Na,
bob tro to go with it, Owain. Ni ddim yn mynd I gorffen, guys. Hanner awr sydd dy fi.
Okay, come find me reception. Examine reception desk?
Examine.
O, mae'n cael enwau ar pob drws.
Yeah, pa funny, just examine.
So, first floor yn mynd fyny at 8 doedd.
Yeah.
So, the second floor. They summed cael ddal o fan.
Yeah, ni'n mynd cael dal gan o dyn wedi gweld yn ni. Room keys or sign-in book?
Sign-in book.
Room plan, dyma ni.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Hwna'n help mawr.
Y dwy no?
Dyna just bloody tynnu llun o fe ar mobile. Come on, defnyddio'r tech.
Right, a ni'n mynd syth i'r ystafell?
Lost and found. Examine room keys.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ie, angen allbeth os mwy. Oh, room 1?
Yeah.
Yeah, go on. Oes modd cymryd mwy nag un?
Better push the looks yn i fel.
I know. Rhywun yn dod. Yeah. Not advised.
Notes.
Oh, gallai ti ddo, os ti eisiau.
Bydd room 12? Di?
Ie, bydd angen nhw ddo. Cymryd
Room
popeth.
12.
Allan notes gyda.
Room 12, oedd hwn yn y ystafell D.
Okay.
Bydd hi'n gwybod yn barod.
Hi, Paul.
Hi, Paul.
Heard about your bananas. I'd love to join. Let me know. Room 24.
Okay,
yeah.
Hwna'n swnio'n...
Sbwyn bod dim. Dwi'n meddwl sy'n cymryd room 12 i di yn beth ti'n neud. Oh my god, ti di spoiler hyn.
Yeah.
Dwi'n meddwl.
A man pure neu rhywbeth, ie.
Be, ni cymryd room 12 hefyd?
Yeah.
Na.
Oh, sorry.
Dwi'n cymryd o. Cos dwi'n meddwl...
Yeah, okay.
Right, and ni just been syth.
Yeah.
Examine lost and found?
Dwi'n o?
Wedi wyt ti?
O, na do.
Na ti heb?
Dwi'n bod dim.
Yeah.
O, mae'n tablet mewn fyna.
Mae'n classic point and click, fi'n caru fe. It's good.
I'll watch this.
Ddim fel use with, really, ond... Yeah.
O, ond y fath o balls oedd.
Balls. O, coch. Ie. Hefyd. Beth am balls?
Ond yn rhywbeth oedd first floor, second floor, first floor, de. Na, un di room 1.
O, ie.
O, ie, gynta.
Room 1.
Had i room 1 ddim yn room gyntaf. O, dy'r pen chynnu.
Ie, falle.
O. Mae rhywun di torri mewn yn barod.
Ie.
Ti'n mewn agorad, lle?
Na.
Ti'n bod yn ei ffwcin hynny fyny?
O, fi'n siŵr.
O, mae rhywun wedi bod mewn fyny yn edrych ar y drawers.
O.
Ie.
Dim cassette. Ddal, ond di.
Ie, mae'n mynd i edrych fel fe sydd wedi gwneud yna. O. Dal e gyda'i gilydd nawr, come on.
Examine puzzle table, examine filing cabinet, examine bedside drawer.
Puzzle table.
Wastad a puzzle table.
Book, puzzle box, notebook.
Puzzle box. A falle bydd rhaid darllen rhywbeth yn a notebook I gallu gweithio mas y puzzle box.
Oedd yn notepad fi.
Ie. Book.
Ie, fi'n mynd fan yna beth.
Di'r allwedd yn fanna falle.
Na, eisiau yn y puzzle, ie. O, fydd y tea thing, fydd.
Bydd.
O, fo. So, puzzle box.
So ti'n rhoi hwnna mewn un o'n nhw, ond ti angen ffeindio. So beth oedd y gwyneb? Ie, mae'n edrych fel angen, dwi e.
O, da angen...
Ni angen y tri cyn I fe rhoi nhw mewn.
Oce, back.
Unless wyt ti'n gallu edrych ar eitemau ti a rhoi nhw mewn eto.
Dwi ddechrau gwybod beth efo teid, gallu stwtio nhw gwmpas.
Cyrraegu.
Hwn ti'n meddwl lot o filler am.
Yeah. Get to the point nawr. Okay.
Oh, mae'n little radio. Nice. Pawn i'n troi y radio ban.
Okay.
Dim ond fath, ti'n wedi clicio bod dim ti'n wedi gael anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yn y pedwerydd thing. Yeah. Buddha, laughing Buddha. Okay.
Yep, there you know.
Hey. Are there? Okay. O'n i'n meddwl just dau sydd dyn ni. O, yr un olaf o'n hwnna, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, dal angen ffeindio. Rhywun. Oh, okay. Yeah. Dau. Be mae'r trydydd un?
Oh.
What? Nes I ddim ffeindio tri, though? That, silly billies.
Sut o'n i'n...
Right.
Okay.
Dwi'n dweud... Yr un ar y dde ydi anger.
Yeah.
Yeah, hwnna'n edrych yn angry. Have fi'n dweud hwnna'n change?
Change, yeah.
Beauty?
Beauty.
Beauty, siwr fod.
Mi hwn yn agor bydd yna rhywun wedi ddal ni oes.
Yeah. Yeah!
Hey, good job, pawb.
Ni'n
Best na fyd e.
amazing ar y Rorschach? Rorschach?
Di, dyn ni siarad yn gyntaf there. Get D out of the...
D.
Mae'r pobl mae gyd os ydyn nhw'n gallu amser yn hyn i
Wouldn't
gyd.
say she's made any improvement. It's like she doesn't want to.
Dwi'n meddwl pageant.
Moreover, she's been acting suspiciously this well, less self-centered. I believe it's promoted by the upcoming pageant, but I don't know what she's up to. This led to my research. It didn't take me long to discover Dee's real name. I knew that she arrived in 1969.
What?
So I obtained permission to access the records room, and now I'm not so sure. It could be valuable for her recovery, but this kind of repression wouldn't come without some repercussions, perhaps even violent in nature. I'll think it over for now.
The records room.
Mi'n meddwl, os di mae'n actually'n gwybod enw hi fydd hi'n mynd yn nuts.
Yeah.
Falle.
So hi'n like...
Cos mae di rei pressure about specific.
Yeah, a bydd e'n trigger o fe. Yeah,
Dr Aniston.
Yep.
Dwi'n dychmygu da ni yn y D route fan.
Yeah.
Dr Aniston.
Nice record player hwnna.
Okay.
Nice.
Ydy'n dod o'r 30s efo jazz?
Yeah.
Falle.
Personal notes.
Pwy oedd Melissa?
O ie, ti'n nesa.
Dim clem.
Wyd heb di cyferw, yn siwr.
Yeah.
Neu falle y menyw gyda balloons. Balloons.
Pwy oedd Jordan?
Boi etiquette.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, fe oedd eisiau newid e.
She exhibits no signs of typical behaviours or bouts of clarity. Moreover, I began searching for any outside record of Melissa. There's none. No employment records, social media accounts, or even tax payments. It's like she appeared out of nowhere. I trust Dr. Aniston, but something doesn't feel right here.
Pwy yw Melissa?
No.
Ni heb cwrdd hi, ni?
Na, falle oedd un...
Dim yn Hoggins oedd y miser ni.
I don't know.
Personal note. O, Jordan, ie. Gwy ganddo fo fi'n gofyn. Dwi'n meddwl yn y chance bach fod yr... to the person da ni'n... to the private investigator.
Yeah.
Be forgiven for mistaking this as
Part o hwn.
gender identification struggle. Not to say such struggles don't exist here. Just look at George. Instead, it's my observation that Jordan's case runs far deeper than that. A very misguided attempt at a Shakespearean tragedy. I believe bereavement counselling is the next action step.
So mae eisiau ffeiliau i fod dweud.
Personal notes. Wy'n hoffi like a point and clicky elements o'r un hyn.
Yeah. Dwi ddim just fel tri option, ti yn teimlo fel...
professional boundaries.
wedi
I haven't
gosod
seen
mewn
her, but
ffordd
this
gwahanol.
Eleanor Malone is clearly underage.
Oh.
I was told the etiquettes wouldn't be
Oh,
broken.
na.
Who knows what psychological damage could be done to such a young mind? Well, I'm out. He doesn't suspect anything and shouldn't until it's made public. Further observations would be useful, but
Oh, so
the
we're going to do the
research
nice
I've already conducted could help thousands. The first few chapters are locked in my bedside drawer. After this term,
Don't have a
I'll
bedside.
publish.
Na.
I'm going. Not even Aniston could find me.
Diddorol.
So maen nhw wedi ransac efo mai to ffeindio...
Yeah.
Right.
Beth yw personal notes? Ydy hwnna'n...
Hwnna'n yr un ni just allan.
Oh, na. Okay.
Wait, ble mae'n mynd? Pa mae fi'n mynd?
Ddim yn gwybod.
Yn eisiau mynd nôl?
Ie, ond beth arall sydd yna?
Yr,
Bedside table? Dim bedside table, ond okay, just dror i ni ffeindio'r trydydd thing, ie.
Ah.
Falle sy'n byd arall fan'na then.
Ie.
Oh, right, yeah, nhw di ransac o fe.
Okay, mas yn ni then. Oh, unless... Na.
Oh, yeah, mae'n just doing
exit.
Ah, well.
Yeah.
Right, so ni'n mynd i... Check map. Oh, ni'n cael y map. Record room, number 20.
So ail llawr.
Yeah. So ni'n mynd i'r record room te?
Ie.
Yeah.
Mae'n ffordd yn dweud Elvis Presley?
Elvin Presley. Yeah. Presley, yeah.
Ooh.
You shouldn't sneak up on people like that.
Mor aml gyda.
Doing what?
Changing. I have to change for the pageant. Have you found my name yet?
She wasn't there. But I heard her tapes. I know where to find it. It's in the records room.
Well, then you'll need a key. Here.
Well, this is for the records room?
Well, yes. It's for all the staff rooms. The doorman gave it to me. Bless him. He's sweet, but he's not the brightest, am I right?
Why do you need it?
We don't have long before the pageant starts. You should hurry.
Oh, wait. Aren't you coming?
I told you I have to change.
But this is who you are. Isn't that more important than how people see you or some pageant?
Do you want to tell Eleanor back or not? Then meet me outside room 12. And if you're quick, you might catch me changing.
Hey!
Oh?
Pwy sy'n room 15 te? Does dim enw ar y drws?
Dim room hi oedd hwnna, okay?
Na.
Room here if...
What's going on? Fi mwy sketch ydw i feddwl.
Yeah.
Let's edrych ar y map.
I just mynd i'r records room.
Hwnna'n room 15. Oh, mae'n just blank.
Blanky.
Room 12 yw un hi. Alright.
Only room 12? Let's go to room 12.
Na, mynd i record room, ni?
Ond ydyn ni gyda...
Ond mae hi fanna, wan. So ni'n gallu mynd i room 12 what's going on.
Ie. A falle mae allwedd ni yn gallu agor pob ystafell.
Wel, ni'n already cael
room 12 o barod.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Yeah, get in there.
Go on.
Be, room 12?
Yeah, let's go on. Yeah.
Alright.
Os ti eisiau mynd i room 15 a bod yn really weird fan ni, we can be weird.
You just check out, yeah.
We're not introverts, we're not extroverts, we're perverts. Let's go. No,
bydd yn gael ni.
Dwi'n goriad.
Mae hwnna'n odd. Oh, I was going to say, os mae hwnna'n glitch nawr, na.
Alright, so room 20 oedd e? 20?
Yeah.
Really?
Records room.
Oh,
There's ain't no contradiction, Morgan.
Na, dim quite.
Still chasing that. Dwi'n licio'r vibe.
Mae'n gwell na...
Mae'n rhy feg.
Yeah.
Di keyboard a ddim yn mynd o'r PC na.
Na, mae angen I fe bod fel ivory, fel ivory lliw.
Cyfriad yw'n blymyn awesome.
Yeah.
Please make sure we digitize these sign...
Please make sure we digitize these sign-in records. That's what I need.
I think on 69, I think, like in 1960s.
Yeah, 69, 60s, yeah.
Groovy, baby.
Nice hair.
Behave.
Pa cyfriadau hwnna? Mae hwnna'n edrych...
Mae hwnna'n USB keyboard. No way, oedd yn ffitio hwnna. Mae'n annoying.
Na.
Ti gallu cael USB.
Oh my god, but full out sleeve ass fucking computer ma.
Enter command. Enter password, forgot password.
I forgot password.
I make you cry without hurting your feelings.
Okay.
Oh, onions.
Onion?
Layers, I think it is. I think it is.
Okay.
I think it
Enter
is.
password.
Oh my god, let's see. Oh my god!
Nice!
I've got the boy onions in the lluna.
Oedd e?
Ddim siŵr. O, falle. Falle subliminal, yeah. O, 69, yeah.
Dr. L. Addison, Josh Aniston, Emily Monroe, Debbie Fisher.
Neu Dyla Springfield.
Miriam K.
Dach efo D, de.
Oh, of course, yeah, D.
So mae'n Debbie Fisher, neu...
It's 1 and 2. Dahlia Springfield.
Okay.
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 Ooh.
Oh, wait.
Oh, shit. Dyna di check os dy fferi lla.
Oh, Dahlia, mae'n dweud.
Sut mae'n gwybod y Dahlia dan? Yn Debbie Fisher, ne?
Yeah.
Pa mae fe'n Exeter?
Fi ddim yn gwybod.
Mae fi'n gwasgu peth anghywir?
Na, ti ddim. Mae jyst yn gorfodi ti. Rai bod dim byd arall fanna.
Ond lot o stuff i sbio na, da.
I know, but... Oh! Dahlia. Oh, mae yna Dahlias yn y stafell yna. A mae fel 60s vibes.
Quick announcement, ladies, gentlemen.
Oh, God.
Nose between. It seems D, once again, finds herself in the pageant. Though will be disqualified if she can't present her full name for the judges. Good luck, 69!
Just click your popeth. Just click your popeth.
Ond na ti dweud hynna, oedd hi literally ddim yn byd o'r computer na, do?
Na.
Dwi'n meddwl fod yr dillad yn metaphorical.
Be sy'n digwydd fan hyn?
Hwna hi trio, ffeindio allan pwy hi yn?
Falle.
Ydy anghofio pwy ydy go iawn?
Like amnesia thing na. Memento style.
Yeah, cos wedi wneud gymaint o terms. Mae'n colli pwdi.
Yeah.
Yes. Not a real doctor. Not a real psychiatrist. Just a guess.
Ni yn y guessing game fan hyn. The booty table? Ne, bed. Yeah. Okay, bed.
Cos ti'n gael agaf? Mae actually yn gwybod pwdi, dwi'n eisiau, ond mae fatha...
Men if you di
traumatic.
Mae trigger. Mae'n trigger i hi cael fel... mynd yn nuts.
Trauma hi di blocio fan o beth.
Yeah.
Dwi'n sy'n sbio gwely Blair yma.
Yeah, ni yn.
Nickers, di, ie.
Fi'n credu taw rhyw fath o thing gwmpas ei gwddwg, neu...
Iawn, oce.
Mae'n falle bra, fi ddim yn siŵr. Fi ddim yn siŵr. Anodd dweud.
Yeah, beauty table.
Beauty isn't the ambition.
It's...
Beauty isn't the ambition, it's the tool. Cofio hi, yeah, oedd hi'n dweud hwnna.
Oedd hi'n sgwynnu lawr yna. Pam?
Falle mae'n anghofio hwnna o bryd i gilydd.
Ella oedd y person gyntaf oedd hi'n rili hyll.
Falle.
Ac oedd hi'n bod yn flin cos o pobl dal yn cael exit.
Yeah, cyfleoedd.
Pobl dal yn cael cyfleoedd o hi ddim.
Yeah. Wel, hwn o beth rwy'n dweud, rwy'n dod yma i fod yn prodferf.
Yeah. So, pob tro mae'n newid
Mae'n twigio i cael Di bywyd i heb ddim yn ffordd iawn. Oh my god.
Sugar. Oh dear.
Ie, mae gwn, ie?
Yeah,
Nice.
Mae gun dy hi. Oh no.
I just don't like it. I'm taller now. You like that?
No, I don't like it.
Why? Tell me why you don't like it.
Because I just changed mine to Darius, that's why. Now get your ass upstairs and put on the other suit.
First of all, check your tone. And second of all, I ain't changing. I'm feeling fresh.
You just better stop your crying or I'll give you something to cry about.
Okay. What are you gonna do about it?
I'll leave your ass here the whole term.
Oh, yeah, I wish you would.
Just walk away. He looks like a talker. Walk away. Just walk away.
Okay.
Oh, smylob, gyda ran.
Yeah.
So, di switch y cyrff. So, oeddech chi'n dweud.
Yeah, o'n i'n meddwl taw fy fath o...
Switch y siwt.
Swap body. Suit yw'r body. Mae'n literal. Mae ddim yn metaphoric.
So pa mae span a term wahanol ta?
Fi'n credu jyst y cyfnod maen nhw'n gwisgo'r suit.
Fox a woman in red.
Fi'n credu.
O na, dim hi. Hi oedd o, ie. Hi oedd di. Dim hi di di wan.
Right.
Cos oedd hi newydd, do.
Yeah. What do you think? Bit of all right. I saw it early and I thought, yes. I'm really looking forward to taking this for a spin. Yeah. Do you fancy a peek?
Go on.
No?
Sorry, na, ddim.
Oh, check your map, wan, de. Check your list a pws y room 15, ie. So hynna fydd hi wan.
I see. Swapsies. You're getting called
room
swapsies.
15, do.
How too nicely.
Ydy sbio'n?
When ni'n mynd i...
Ydych chi'n sbio nodiadau? Sbio notes, pa notes gyda ni? Directory, readables. Room order, pws ni 15?
Roedd 15 yn empty, oedd e?
Ie, oedd e'n.
Shit, so they ddim yn gwybod pwy di...
No.
Iawn, oce.
I siarad ar bwys y bar neu y thing yna?
Eista lawr. Ddim yn poeni am Jordan yden.
Na.
That's Jordan, ie.
Ie. Ond mae fe mynd i bod yn grac efo ni, hyrwyd ni ddim sign o'r petition.
Ond mae'n ffain, sit in the chair fi.
Sit in the chair.
Person newydd,
ie. A ti'n person arall na.
Pwy ydy hi, ie. Ie. Gwybodaeth newydd fydd hwnna'n handi.
It's clyfar, nhw eisiau ficari jyst i dangos i chdi.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Oh.
I'm feeling much better, but I'm not playing any more chess this term. You'll have to wait until the next swell. But as reigning champion, I'm happy to answer questions you may have.
The Tide, Dr. Aniston. What is
The
it
Tide.
called? The Tide?
Dwi'n dychmygu, sy'n gofyn i rhywun am Dr. Aniston, we don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
What can you tell me about the tide?
It comes in and goes out.
God. God, efo dim, ie.
What is the core?
If I knew, I wouldn't be here. None of us would, I should guess.
Okay.
Oh,
As different as each suit is.
Yeah,
so he gallu the game yma,
Morgan. The same taste.
One day, maybe.
The same routines.
nôl.
Croeso nôl. Yeah. Oh man, mae brawd fi wedi coginio pizza. A mae'n arogli mor neis. Mae'n arogli mor bloody neis.
Don't pizza posh.
Mae rhyfen i'n ristorante.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm all about sourdough pizzas, real one.
Sourdough pizzas?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Very nice.
Nice. Heb trio.
Dyn ni heb di cyfarfod y person yma blaen ddo?
Na. It's gen I dim clem pwy hynny.
Dwi'n blincio dde.
Na, hi'n eitha...
Iawn, leave.
Eitha ofnus.
Thank you.
Chess champion neu rhywbeth. Oh.
Pair mlynedd.
Yeah.
Bob yn cael. O.
No.
Bydd y gwynaf na?
I'm sure. Obviously ddim hoffi ni.
Ac mae'n gwybod yn ni'n trwyllo.
No, fe'n edrych yn drist.
You're here to ask, no doubt. Answer's no. Failed to get enough signatures. A go? They'll refuse to change the wording.
Jordan.
No, you're supposed to start afresh, but this is important.
Oh.
Give it another crack next term. Span, I mean. Just hope she can last.
Wel, een bereavement, maar ja.
Attention, please.
Oh!
This is a tide-wide...
Oh, I've got a friend. Keedy and Darlings, I'm sure, yeah.
In this term's Who Wore It Best pageant. Please make their way to the Grand Hall as we are about to begin.
Do you want to think about saying that... Messily?
Yeah.
Gofyn, hi yndi.
Gather round, sweeties.
Ah!
Gather.
Oh, no. Sorry, nah.
Dyma hi, neu fe nawr.
Now, you know the rules. No asking who they're wearing.
IDD. Wie die merch ni? Wat die een gwisgo merch ni?
Oh,
I think
oh,
we have
nah.
a winner. Please give me a moment to confirm.
Yeah, well.
Let's give this term's nominees a round of applause.
Dexter's clothing, a mask.
Yeah. Ydy hwnna na? Yeah.
Hey, Daddy.
Helena?
I thought you were the type who prefers to know. Am I right?
What have you done with her?
I thought you understood. You said you'd do anything, remember? Now I see you're just like everybody else.
Dee, I'm about to announce the winner, and I need a name. Otherwise, you can't be considered.
Give him the name.
I want my daughter back.
Give him the name and I'll let you have her. Any way you want.
Oh, no.
Just wanted to say you look incredible in her. Never seen this suit before.
I can show you a little bit more. If you
I need a name.
God. I would hurry. I'm starting to like the way she feels in me.
How do I know? You were going...
Tell him or I keep her.
Speedily.
Tell him.
Dahlia. Okay, I've given you the name. Now give her back to me.
I remember.
And I'm happy to announce the winner of this year's Who Wore It Best pageant. And the winner is Dahlia.
Just sat there, seeing them, still feeling them somehow.
They've called your name.
All those hands. All those hands.
Right, I need to call you abuser.
All those hands.
I'm sure.
I couldn't forgive. I could forget.
You've won. Isn't this what you wanted?
I don't care. This deal's off.
No! You can't do this to her.
She did it to me. Bring me the person from room 6. Bring her to me, and I'll give her back to you.
Dahlia, please make your way to the stage.
Oh.
Oh.
Je moet het teamen. Met die nieuwe team op moeten inwijden.
I can't believe I'm about to say this, but Dee, or Dahlia, as she now knows, has won the pageant. Congratulations.
Well, hello there. Have we met?
No.
Nah, I don't think.
I don't think so.
Na, rwy'n meddwl rwy'n
We
hynny.
have now.
Mae'n edrych fel...
Paul Fullheart. It's an odd name, I know, but
It's gwir pwy'n
friends say
rwy'n...
that it suits. And you are?
Rwy'n dweud.
Well, hello there, Josh.
Mae'n edrych fel...
What can I do for you, friend?
Are you,
Oh.
Are you staying in room 6?
I certainly am. All alone, I'm afraid, but
Tienwe.
there are plenty of people and fun to be had here.
Would you mind coming with me, please?
Oh, meu gwybod.
You know...
Jim Carrey.
Jim Carrey!
My mother
Mae'n
used to
edrych
say,
Jim Carrey, ydy e?
if someone knocks on your door,
Like
you better
younger
ask,
Jim Carrey.
who is it for? Is it an angel? That would be nice. Or is it the devil? Better think twice. As we've just met, I'm gonna ask you.
Angel.
Do I want to come with you, Josh?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. I don't think so. Right, and he just mynd efo di, just like whatever.
Just go with D.
Just go with it.
To the end.
Hi'n mynd I seithi dda. Cant y cant. Hi'n mynd I seithi.
Ynddi, 100%. Ond... Is he yn... Dwi'n gael teimlo mae o wedi neud beth iddi.
Ie. Mae'n swnio.
Da ni eisiau merch ni nôl.
Ie.
Dim mor convincing.
Yes, you do.
Well, okie dokie. I mean, is it somewhere fun?
We'll find out.
Ooh, tantalizing excitement. I mean, who could resist
Mae'n actual Jim Carrey hefyd.
Lead the way.
Beth yma's... Be mae'n atgoffio? Max Headstrom.
Yeah! Mae o'n...
Nice room you have
Mae
here.
o'n, yeah.
You okay there, pretty thing? Can I help you?
Jesus!
Ah!
Hey! No. Move.
Tell me what's
Don't
going on.
shoot, wait, don't shoot.
Move! Not until you tell me what's going on.
He used me.
Helena?
The real me.
Dahlia. You know her name?
He knows more than that. He stole my name.
Dahlia, he couldn't have
It's
stolen...
true. But we have been through this many times ago.
See?
And I admitted it at the time. I confessed. I apologized, and still you continue to...
Remember all those hands touching me, all those men grabbing me. I never wanted that. I never asked for that. Touching every part of me.
You assaulted her?
It was me. I was her.
Saw you. Her.
Oh, so revenge.
You should call fair.
Refen mewn y cyrff hi, te.
No, you were never meant to see anything, and you knew what would happen when you joined the tide. Your body was mine.
And you ruined it. I just came here to be somebody beautiful.
You were, I was, and you just didn't know what you had. Eleanor, wait, Dahlia, wait. I'm sorry.
I thought you should call fair.
I made the wrong choice.
You just got orgies, basically.
Yeah, swnio fel e.
And we all do it.
Rhywsyd
You're doing that now to her, using
So
the
dwi'n
girl.
cofio, like, your experiences, te? Nhw gyd, Kyle?
You stole who I was on the inside.
Ugh.
You stole me. I lost her. Who I was. I just wanted to be admired.
I wanted that too. I was a priest before the tide. You know what that's like?
Oh my god, who's the priest?
There is no one to hold you, and I wanted to explore. And what
Oh
better
no, I
way
didn't put it now,
to
a
be
priest, and
noticed,
it
to
was
feel
better
loved
enough.
than to be the pageant queen herself. Wait.
Jesus Christ!
Back in 69.
But the end of pageants are better.
Do you remember?
Oh my days.
You arrived with a bang, and everybody wanted you. And I got you.
Look if I would do that kind of.
And I repented for what I did. And made
So fe wedi... I guess fe
choice.
wedi refen damage o'r
But
suit,
shooting me will not change that. Do not make the same mistake that I did.
Dahlia died because of you.
I am a different man. I have changed. And do we not? Do we not all deserve a second chance?
Step away.
Do not be like me.
Step away.
If you let her take me, you will lose yourself just like her.
You said you'd do anything to win. All you have to do is take a step.
I did just gael fe llaf, you know, just... Rwy'n meddwl ni yn. Rwy'n meddwl ni yn, just, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, okay.
Go on.
I'll...
Revenge. Yeah.
Yeah?
Revenge! Revenge! Revenge!
Oh, yeah.
I made a choice too.
Ni eisiau dod yn un ôl, so...
I left my daughter when she was just a little girl. I didn't consider how that decision would affect her.
Oh. Dwi'n i allan walk the run.
Na pam.
I have to do this for my daughter.
Mae o'n...
Paid dweud unrhyw spoilers.
Na. Just hwn dwi'n gwybod ar outcome i. Literally, nes i clicio yn Steam. The guide, Steam guides is.
Oh na.
Dwi'n mynd i gau hwnna.
Yay! O'n i cael dod ni nhw?
Dod, o iawn, oce.
So I guess oedd hi'n cael ei punished. Wedyn, oherwydd hi'n lladd y dyn hwnna wedyn.
Yeah.
So ni'n cael ei dod yn ôl.
Is this step back? I refuse.
Step back.
Oh, okay.
Rwy'n fi'n gadael i lladd e.
Lladd. Oh, yeah. Step back, Eleanor lives. Refuse, Eleanor dies. Okay.
That's hwnna'n really cool. Rwy'n enjoy hwnna.
Mae si tweakio fel yn diwedd, eich enjoy fe bach mwy dwi'n fel.
Yeah. Rwy'n hoffi trio gweithio allan. Mae'n mynd ymlaen.
Ond dwi'n licio fatha... Gwybod bach mwy amdan doctor, ie. Ddilla hwnna angen bod yn deg, ie.
Wel, I guess ti gallu os ti'n falle i gwneud. Gael ei, ending one.
Dwi'n mynd i hwnna eto rhyw dro. Just i cael different ending. I weld faint o hanol ydy.
Be, ti eisiau chwarae fe?
Rhyw dro.
Definitely.
Ie, just i cael... Fel arfer dwi'n give a shit efo'r ei games yma. O, ffordd nhw'n iawn. Ond mae'r un yma, dwi'n rhaid...
Yeah, they're really good.
Ond nath ni neud conscious decision o mynd ar ôl di, do.
Yeah.
Be os ydyn ni heb di hynna?
Falle yn ffordd arall.
Ces just yn...
Cael y dod yn ôl.
A hefyd, yn diwedd, y daughter just yna.
Yeah, well, obviously, oherwydd di wedyn yn llaf, oedd Dahlia yn llaf y dyn, roedd hi'n cael ei punished, so roedd hi'n cael ei tynnu o'r cyrff, o'r sleeve y daughter, wrth y daughter yn cael ei roi nôl mewn i fe. Oh, dim readables. Encounters.
Yes. Okay, yeah. Detective.
A yw'n ni ddim gwneud unrhyw beth efo'r detective.
Ond sydd ydych chi'n gweld gath ddim chance na ddo?
Wel, rwy'n ni gallu mynd nôl i'r detective ar ôl yr...
Illegal team.
Ar ôl i'r... Dim clown? Rwy'n ni gallu mynd i'r detective ar ôl yr... beth i gael nhw? Y grand pobl yn siarad.
Yeah.
You convince the curator that you're a good fit to explore the hotel.
Okay. So ddim yn rili'n gwybod byd mwy am Dr. Listen. Na.
Rwy'n o mwy stwff ar y cyfrifiadur.
Ie, hynna y thing amdan hwnna, ie.
Ie.
Faint o endings yna? Dydw faint o endings yna?
I'm ddim sure.
How many endings? 7.
Damn. Rwy'n hoffi ar y, like, wyt ti wedi chwarae Become Human? Detroit Become Human? Mae hwnna yn cael actual, like, tree. Arno fes, pob level ti'n gweld, like, a tree. Ti'n gallu gweld, like a choices yn branch o bant, a pa choices ti'n lawr. It's a really nice, like, visual thing. Like, yeah. I mean, da o, os yw'r game o hyn cael e. 4K DLC not installed. Oh, damn.
Y merch, a hi oedd yr Hog and Ginger yn 10 dates?
Na.
Na?
Ddim meddwl.
Ail Hotel. Okay. I wefan.
10 dates cast.
Wales is active.
Rosie Day. Chwarae Misha. The Isle Tide Hotel.
Hey, mae'n gallu churnu games ma allan it's fast, ynddi? Os newid oedd allan ma... y game cynt efo boi Doctor Who, da?
Mae fe'n, na, pobl o chanol.
Ie?
Ie. Wait,
sure?
Parin?
Yr un, boi Doctor Who. Yr un yn y TV film Doctor Who.
Oh, wow, rwy'n siarad am y game hyn.
O, na, ie. Na, newid a beth dwi'n dweud, mae'n Wales is active. Newid yn haid game ma nhw'n ddiweddar, ie.
Yeah, well, nhw gallu creu, like, efo'r game ei right, gallu, like, yeah, rwy'n ti angen ysgrifennu'r stori, o wedyn pryd ti'n ffilm o fe, ti gallu cael pobl arall yn Os gwni stor arall, cael film crew separate ffilm yr un arall. So mae'n... Mae'n syniad da.
Mae'n syniad games, gyda nhw. A bod o'r game dod allan mae'r offer.
Yeah.
The latest games, iawn. Yeah, Mia and the Dragon Princess, hwnna dda de.
Yn ni'n chwarae hwnna.
Ie, newydd o dda. Ond nath hwnna allan yn mis Mai.
Yn Mai, ie.
So, blwyddyn yma, iawn, ail tair hotel. Dwi'n meddwl mae hwn yn un o'r ei mwyaf polished.
Ie, hyn yn mwy... Hyn yn un... Hyn yn teimlo mwy polished. Roedd Mia and Dragon Princess, roedd hwnna'n really da. Ond roedd yn eitha fyr. Roedd hyn yn cael a lot mwy mewn rwy'n meddwl.
Ond ni'n meindio... 10 dates.
Ie.
Ond beth yr un awful na oedd o fatha Battle Royale?
Bloodshaw.
Oedd hwnna awful.
Oedd Bloodshaw yn hilarious. Oedd fi'n joio hwnna.
Oedd hwnna... Beth ydy'n y gallery? O, dwi'n dweud y gallery fyd o.
The Parry?
The gallery.
The gallery?
Dwi wedi chwarae The Gallery.
Heb chwarae hwnna. Ydy hwnna Wales Interactive?
Yndi. Lle mae'r artist yn... efo... yn... fatha bom yn efo. A mae'n hen amser newydd.
Mae ddim yn siarad lan am
hwnna. Dwi wedi dweud hwnna, the artist. The Gallery.
The Gallery? FMV?
FMV, Wales Interactive. Mae'n fatha dau art people in the 80s.
Hwna'n...
A in the 2010s.
Ie, hwna'n... Well, just published gan nhw heb creu.
O, iawn, ge. Dwi'n dweud hwnna, do. Dwi wedi chwarae hwnna, rhywun. Dwi 100% wedi chwarae hwnna fo rhywun. A dwi'n meddwl fo.
Rwy heb chwarae.
Ie. Ie, who pressed mute yn Cymraeg i siarad limi chwarae hwnna, ac oedd hwnna'n awful. Mae Bloodshot lawr i £2.30.
Rwy wedi chwarae un ryfen...
The ISO Black Clouds.
Like, Zoom un. Ond rwyf, like, Nightbook yn yna. Yeah, rwyf, like, demons a stuff. Dod mewn i'r tŷ, rwyf hwnna'n un hwyl.
Shape-shifting detective, mae Jenks yn hwnna.
Oh.
Hwnna lawr i £3.58, ydyn nhw bod hwnna. Late Shift.
Late Shift.
Hwnna dyr un... That puts them on the map, yr un gynta, ie.
Yeah. Rwy'n really joio'r FMVs. Rwy'n glad bod nhw'n creu nhw.
Sa'n mi nhw wedi gwneud be mae'r contradiction yn ddo. Hynny dy'r unig... Dwi'n gwybod, dwi'n wastad yn hynna bod tro. Dwi'n wastad yn ôl hynna. Dwi'n dal yn meddwl, sa'n mi nhw wedi dod yn agos i contradiction, de.
Contradiction.
Just oherwydd set-up contradiction.
Contradiction spot the liar.
Ie. Ys dim neu hwnna fan hynna, do. A stream fi hwnna. Fi am Morgan i ddod yn dau. Ath un wyn arach treulio ni. A ath un ddod yn dau stream nos Wener efo booze. A dwi a Morgan yn siarad o hwnna di'r mwy o fun da ni cael as in streamio. Dim streams da chi yn mancem, ond streams ath un fel hyn.
Nice.
Cos oedd yr FMV yn, chdi'n trigro fo ac oedd yr actio hw yn just fucking funny. Ond dyn nhw, The Dead of Night.
Heb chwarae hwnna.
O ie, mae'r ail un yn weird. Dy ddim mor dda, dwi'n meddwl.
Ie.
Mae'r ail un sgynno nhw, Dead of Night, yn mwy scary.
Ie.
Ie.
Nice.
So... I'm all about the contradiction there, ond hwnna dwi eisiau. I'm still chasing that high. Just yr actio.
Nes I joio Bloodshaw hefyd, doniol iawn. Mae hwn yn fwy debyg I hen VHS Murder Mystery. Contradiction hwnnw.
Ie. Cos dwi'n meddwl chdi cael mwy o amser. Just y ffordd oedd I sitio fyny. Mae'n anodd I sgrifio fo, ond just yn... Oedd y cymeriadau gyd yn, ti'n cofio'r cymeriadau. Cos o'ch chi constant yn ôl ymlaen. Efo, be dwi'n teimlo dan efo'r FMV games fel sy'n interactive ydi, it's one and done, ie. Cos mae pace o'n mwy fast-paced. Ti'n mynd really cael amser i feddwl am stuff. Lle efo contradiction, o gynnach chi literally, o'ch gael nôl ymlaen a'ch chwilio am bob dim. Anyway, dwi'n pro contradiction mewn yna.
Hyn yn yr un cyntaf wedi chwarae o nhw, ble ti gallu mynd nôl i'r llefydd sy'n neis. Ond FMVs yn teimlo fel bod yn really da at point and clicks.
Y mix ar rai, ti eisiau da. Be sy'n top FMV games? Top FMV game ar hyn o bryd, Command & Conquer i wastad. Mae'r immortality na'n wastad dda. Ond, apparently, ti'n paid â chwarae ar Twitch, cos mae'n random nudity dod i fyny efo. Her story yn dda fyd.
Nice.
FMV games eraill. Mae lot o Japanese games. Oh, we're doing Breakout 13. Oh my god, one is Saesneg! What? Mae fath o gyn Squid Game.
Main Squid Game?
Sbio Breakout. Breakout 13.
Breakout 13.
Based on true stories, I doubt that.
Based on true stories?
Ja, dwi'n on wishlist. That's on my wishlist. Nes i ffeindio un Hungarian FMV game, de?
Ie.
Ond oedd o'n hen game Expedia ti'n gallu prynu. Ond mae gen i memory leak yn efo. Sef, mae'n gallu, basically, meltio PC i chdi.
Nice. But ti angen just cwblhau e really quickly.
Ie. Cos dwi wedi unlockio age restriction ar Steam fi. Mae Steam FMV games fi down...
O na, nhw'n eitha...
Ie.
Oedolyn, ie. Oh, nice.
Don't press X not to die. Not for broadcast, hefyd. Hwna'n dda, apparently.
Ie.
Not for broadcast. Rwy'n gwybod am un arall. Toonstruck, yna?
Toonstruck?
Ie, yn FMV Game 699.
Dwi wedi clywed am hwnna.
Simulacra. Hwna, mae'n lot o arall y chwarae de.
Hamid fi wedi clywed am Toonstruck?
Mae Morgan wedi playthrough efo. Os eisiau game scary i chwarae ar stream am £2.59, Simulacra. Interactive horror experience. Lle ti'n mynd trwy'r ffôn rhywun. Mae hwnna fel lot o... Tesla effect. Dwi'n hofio efo Tesla effect ydw fi. A Phantasmagoria hefyd ydw fi. Mae'n lot o hen reid e. Spice. Mae What's the Dub yn good game.
What's the Dub?
Yeah, What's the Dub? It's a multiplayer party game where each player overdubs missing dialogue from awfully awful B-movies. Hwna'n yn dda. Dwi'n gwybod bod hwnna. Dwi'n wishlist.
Nice. Monkey Island, hwnna'n game. Ni heb gorffan y Monkey Island cant.
Ni beth i gorffan Monkey Island ydw?
Na. Ond rydym meddwl rydyn ni wedi exportio'r streams Monkey Island i YouTube yn anffodus. So...
Mae Germa 985 efo free-to-play FMV game. What?
What? What?
German Otto, the curse of the lost streamer. Lle mae... Nath o'n ei thing, lle o'n ei lot o stuff green screen, do. Dwi'n cael hwn, ie? Download.
No.
What did he say, Zah? 226.
Curse of the late streamer.
Dwi'n lyfo Germa.
Mae'n edrych yn ofnadwy.
Dwi'n lyfo Germa. Fo ydi #1 streamer fi.
Rwy byth wedi actually gwylio fe.
Na? Mae o'n...
Rwy'n pob amser gweld, like,
Y perthynas fo. Limmy dwi'n actually dilyn mwyaf. Mae Jeremiah, just... Everything's a bit...
Yeah. We're probably sy'n gweld, like, y llun hwnna, like, o fe, like, like, gwyneb wedi, like, photoshopped am yn dweud sus neu rhywbeth.
Yeah. Just gwasio clips yn yma, mae'n werth o, yeah.
Yeah.
Dwi'n love it. Dwi'n meddwl bod o'n fucking hilarious. Mae o'n wastad yn fan trio... Un o'r bobl sy'n trio stwff newydd o felly. Mae Christmas stream o bod yn dwytha. Nath o basically smalio fod stream greiddiol o'n cael ei hijackio. So nath o just cychwyn ail stream. A cael pobl yn switcho yn un stream I llall. Iawn ta, good game. Ti wedi bod yn chwarae City Skylines o gwbl?
Yeah, rwy'n fi'n chwarae fe tipyn bach ddoe. Rwy'n fi'n joio fe, ond mae'r performance yn...
Yeah, nes i ond chwarae ond hwnna hel.
Yeah.
So, mae'n ar y list of things to do.
Yeah. Yeah, mae'r performance yn a bit... Ond gobeithio nhw gallu trwsio hwnna.
Trwsio. Dwi'n mwyn bai Cyberpunk ydi o, mae games can get away efo stwff fel hyn, man.
Yeah.
Cos, enwedig, bydd Eurogamer penderfynu ail reviewio Cyberpunk. Dwi'n mynd I dangos I lot o developers. Dim ots yn shit o allan o fan, cos...
Yeah.
Gwyn ni nid eto, ie. So, poen ychydig bach, da, ond, ie.
Yeah.
Cos, fel rwy'n gath Kerbal Space Program 2. Hwnna'n awful.
Mae hwnna'n actually, like, just colli features o'r...
Yr beth ydy, ydy base 1 yn cychwyn, efo bach o quality of life mods yn yma. Iawn ta.
Yeah. Wel, diolch am gwylio pawb. Gobeithio chi gyd wedi joio yr Ail Tide Hotel.
Cofio, os wedi gwachio, mae yna 6 diweddgol arall hefyd.
Yeah.
So, paidwch bod o'n un di spoilio fo.
Na, cer I prynu fe. Beth di supportio mae Cymraeg?
Cyfiogi.
Cyfiogi?
Cefnogi.
Cefnogi.
Hefyd, allwch chi chwarae o'n 4K os ydych chi eisiau fyd.
Hell yeah. Cefnogi Cwmni Cymraeg, Wales Interactive. So, roi hyn yn eich Steam basket.
Wishlist.
Yeah, wishlist o fe. Prynu fe. Mae dim ond...
Mae o ar sale ar hyn o bryd.
£17.
Mae o ar sale.
So, yeah. Werth e. Cwmni Cymraeg. Game da. Really good.
One of the good ones gynnu nhw.
Yeah. Definitely. Un o'r... Mae hyn yn reit lan fyna, rwy'n meddwl, ar FMV.
Dwi'n meddwl hwn di game gorau nhw wedi gwneud.
Yeah.
Ella 10... Dates, ella.
Yeah, mae 10 dates yn reit lan fyna.
Di.
Yeah. Ond yeah, really joy hwnna. So yeah, diolch yn gwylio pawb ac gwelwch chi gyd yn y stream neu fideo nesaf.
Ideal. Goodbye.
Hwyl fawr.